Approving and submitting a CCI application as a research administrator. The purpose of this video is to guide research administrators, also known as research grants officers, through the review, approval, and submission process of a college and community innovation funding application in the Convergence Portal. If you do not have access to the Convergence Portal as a research administrator, please contact the Help Desk. Select Have Questions in the blue ribbon in the top right-hand corner to obtain their contact information. The Help Desk will provide a registration form and instructions to allow you to set up your research administrator account. If you need to update the designated research administrator for your institution, please contact the college's team at NSERC. To log in to your account, navigate to the Convergence Portal. Select the official language of your choice to navigate to the home page. Enter your credentials and click Login. Once you have logged in, you will be directed to the home page. On the home page, you will note the following tabs: the Applications tab, the Awards tab, and the Funding Opportunities tab. The Applications tab lists any applications you have created or participated in as an applicant and their relevant details. The Awards tab lists any awarded grants in which you play a role. The Funding Opportunities tab presents all funding opportunities open to receiving applications and their respective deadlines. You may also have additional tabs depending on your level of involvement in various funding opportunities. To navigate to the Research Administrator page, select the Research Administrator option in the top right-hand corner of the blue ribbon. Here you can view the applications, awards, and competition results for your institution. In the Applications tab, you will see a list of all the applications opened by applicants at your institution. There are several ways to filter and sort through the list of applications. The search bar allows you to search for a specific application or applicant using keywords or names. The Funding Opportunity drop-down menu allows you to filter applications by funding program. The Competition drop-down menu can help narrow the list by competition and year. The Stage drop-down menu allows you to filter applications by application stage. For instance, application, letter of intent, notice of intent, and registration. The Status drop-down menu allows you to filter applications by their status. For example, you can use this menu to view how many applications are in progress at your institution. To view the applications that are currently waiting for your review and approval, select the Received by Administrator option in the Status drop-down menu. Please note that as the research administrator, you will not be notified when an applicant submits an application for your consideration. It is your responsibility to verify if there are pending applications and approve and submit before the program deadlines. To review an individual application, click the application link under the Actions column. Navigate through the application by clicking on the modules listed in the left-hand column. Note that as the research administrator, you can only review the application. You do not have editing privileges. Once you have reviewed the application, return to the Research Administrator home screen by selecting Research Administrator at the top right-hand side of the blue ribbon. If changes are required to the application and you do not have editing privileges, locate the application in question and click on the Return to Applicant link in the Actions column. You should also follow up with the applicant directly to ensure that they have received the application and understand the changes that are required before the application can be approved. If the application is acceptable, click on the Forward to Agency link in the Actions column. Once the application has been successfully sent to the agency, a confirmation message will appear in a green ribbon at the top of the page. The application status will change to Received by Agency. By clicking Forward Selected to Agency, the research administrator confirms that the applicant is affiliated with the institution and that the applicant has the necessary time and resources to carry out the proposed activities. The research administrator also confirms that the project meets all eligibility requirements. It is possible to review and submit multiple applications for the same competition at the same time. To download all applications for a given competition, use the Funding Opportunity and/or Competition drop-down menu to select one funding opportunity and/or competition. Select Received by Administrator from the Status drop-down menu. Then, click the checkbox at the top left-hand corner of the list to select all and click the Bulk Download button to download all the applications as PDFs. After reviewing the PDF applications, use the checkboxes on the left-hand side of the applications list to select the applications that you approve and would like to forward to the agency. Next, click the Forward Selected to Agency button. As before, a confirmation message will appear in a green ribbon at the top of the page. The status of the selected applications should then change to Received by Agency. Post-submission, the Status drop-down menu can be used to verify the status of an application. For example, selecting the awarded status will allow you to view a list of successful grant applications. Click Documents in the Actions column to access post-award information. A list of documents associated to the application will appear and may be downloaded, such as the Notice of Decision and Terms and Conditions of Successful Applications. When you are finished and would like to sign out, click your name in the blue ribbon on the top right-hand side. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu.